Hey, this is Blind Fox and welcome to another snack review. Please support the channel, please subscribe and please donate on patreon.com. So today we are doing this same one as we did before, but we're going to do another flavor. Lorenz, or whatever that name is. Now this just says gluten-free. We will use sunflower oil, pom sticks, cut from real potatoes, paprika flavor. And hey, I found the grams. It's 100 gram package. A serving is 60 or is 36 grams, but so we'll just do this serving again and let's see if we can remember how this stacks up until yesterday's. Alright, calories is in kilojoules. It is 680. Then we've got protein, it's 1.7. Then we've got carbohydrates, so it is 16 gram. Sugar is 0.6 grams. Fat content, you will see there. Total fat content, in gram of course, is 10 gram. Trans fats, saturated fats, which saturated fats are 0.8 gram. A dietary fiber is 1.1 grams. I think it's 0.1 grams more than 0.1 grams more than yesterday. And salt is 156 milligrams, which is more than the other guys we did. And this is just a keep dry, store away from heat, and reseal once opened. And I still don't know how you are supposed to reseal this without a resealing machine. There is a ZA there on this package, so I presume this is made in South Africa. Anyway, so do recycle and chuck the little package away. Or it's made from a recycled material. Now let's see how this is. This also smells potatoey. There's no other smell there. There's not a definite smell that you can say, this is that smell. A chip. Here's a few chips, a bit darker I think than yesterday's because I think of the paprika. Not a burning flavor. Just potatoes and a very slight paprika flavor. It's crunchy. Do get paprika, potatoey. Might be a bit fatty, but it's the same as yesterday's normal potato chip fattiness. Because the only bad thing about this is because of the small little chips here, your fingers do tend to get dirty and sometimes end up close, or it is not a nice big chip that you can bite without getting your fingers close to your mouth. Not a overly salty taste, but it is flavorful. I think you might eat more than you want to of these because they are such small little chips. It's not like big chips that looks like a lot of volume. Quite heavy chips, and they pack in a small area, so you might eat more than you actually think you are doing. But overall it's a nice chip. I've had similar types of chips before, but the chip was a bit bigger, and it's not bad. It's an interesting little concept having these little small chips, not flat potato chips. It also means I think it doesn't break that much, although you can break it easily. But it is nice and crunchy. Don't taste bad. So that was my review of I think it's a Lorenz pom sticks paprika flavor. Interesting little review, interesting video. So It was a really interesting chip. So thanks for watching this review. Please support the channel, please subscribe, please go and donate on patreon.com, and see you at my next ration review.